as y'all seen, you know, we out here talking, meeting, greeting people. My man saw me yesterday at the motel. He said he kept looking. He saw the face mask with Money Squad Stereo on it. And then this morning he said, "What'd you say this morning, man?"
I said, "Man, ain't that Big Money Rob?" He said it could be. I'm like, "Yeah, that's you, brother."
Okay. And so he over there, he asked me what's the latest and greatest. I said, "Man, I got a few things going." And I told him I hit him with a little bit of this here. Like I told people in the past, do not sit on my bike. Because once you hear it, you can't unhear it.
Yeah, now I'm stuck. I need mine to
See,
sound like this.
I told people you're gonna be on your bike thinking about my bike.
Yes, sir.
And, you know, I'm not saying it's a drug, it's addictive, but it can be something like that.
I need some of this.
Y'all hear him? Hey, there it is.
Money Car Stereo, y'all.
Hey, I'm out and about, letting them see what I see. We gotta go. Yeah. You got to pay the cost to be the boss after all that dirt. I got to get my shit. Just come like this, or you made this like this?
Made it like this.
Ooh, you saucy right there, man. You saucy, man. Yeah, that's my favorite colors, red, black, and white. You know, Money Squad Stereo, that's how we do. But, you know, I'm just saying.
Who painted it?
Okay.
You painted it too?
Yeah.
Same place I painted my shit.
Is it hard to find all the stuff to make that happen with all the reds like that?
Oh nah, somebody can get you all whatever.
Okay, somebody can put me on to get that. If I need that in my life, it's gettable.
Somebody got it for you for whatever color you need.
Okay.
Whatever you see right here, you can make it in whatever color you choose.
Okay. All right. You work at a shop that do this type?
No.
Or you just know the people who know the people?
Yeah.
Okay. And I'll see what I see.
Hey, you know Joe?
Okay.
You know Joe?
Yeah, I see it, y'all. I see
Be
it.
over there all the time with your dad.
Hey, y'all. I'm down here talking with a new friend of a friend, and he was telling me some input on my Impala game. So you were saying that on the 61, your opinion of a 61, how should you do a 61? Come from your point of view.
I would keep it original. Just based on everyone's doing the LS swap and things of that nature. So you keep it original, matching numbers and everything. The value's gonna hold more than the LS swap because with the matching numbers and things, you know, you're subject to sell it to worldwide.
Okay, I got more of a traction if I don't switch it up. If I keep it all original, it's more appealing to more people.
Exactly. But if you put the LS in, you're subject just to sell it to racers. So I would keep it stock.
Okay, and then I elaborate that I had a 62, and you were saying to also do that
it's
one.
Similar to the Ace. And the Deuce is the lightest Impala, I believe.
How you figure it's the lightest? Tell me.
I heard
you heard that.
The lightest Impalas.
Oh, okay.
62, I'm not sure. Don't quote me on it.
Okay.
But I believe the 62 should be similar to the 61. Keep it stock as possible.
Yeah, I keep the 61 is the stock one. I wouldn't even cut that or nothing. You know, I mean, that'll be my original car because you don't see them like that. They're not common.
And he says bubble top.
Well, wait, the 62 is not bubble top. 61 is.
Yeah, 61. That's what he was referring.
Hey, you know you got a screwdriver over here.
Okay, and so you saying for 1 and 2 stay original, carburetor, motor, the whole 9. So now we on the 3 subject. What you thinking on 3s?
The trade, then you can think about a swap.
Yeah.
You know, but the 4 definitely a swap.
Uh-huh.
You know, just to give you
and the LS motor if you want to put an LS.
See, y'all, you didn't throw my
whole. I mean, but what he's telling you is really some real game.
That's why I'm asking.
61 is, man, you don't mess with them 61.
Okay.
It ain't just some game; it's some young game too.
There it is. Yeah, that is.
Because everybody.
Well, what you said, young game. See, young game, they usually tell you the opposite. Oh man, you should cut to 61 or you should do this, but he ain't telling you that. He's like, nah, don't fool with.
We gotta keep the value.
Yeah, keep the value.
We going for the money. We ain't going for the fun. We can have fun later.
That's it. Or you got something else to drive to have fun. Yeah.
I mean, shit, he got options.
Yeah, he got options.
Because I was talking to JT from Rare Breed. He's in Atlanta now. He said, Rob, you got to cut the faux. I was like, really? He said, cut the faux. I said, the other ones, you got a whole smorgasbord. You know, you have a different style for however you're feeling. But the faux.
Yeah, the faux more standard. Yeah, Impala world.
Yeah.
More common.
They got songs about the faux, you know.
But you gonna always be able to find a faux.
Yeah.
You ain't gonna always be able to find a 61, a 2, or a 3.
Hey, you see how his eyebrows lit up when you talk about the 61? Because he'd buy a 61. I mean, he's been said all this shit for the 61.
Be careful with what you do, because pricing is high right now.
Yeah, I've seen that.
You want to devalue your shit.
I've seen that. I've been watching that the Cali Broker. That's why I got my car off of that.
Yeah, that's
Woo-wee. I'm telling y'all, this motherfucker is bad. I'm telling you. Hop. I told people, do not sit on my bike, because it's going to change some scenarios and you'll get down. That's all I got to say about this, y'all. We down here in Los Angeles, California, and I came by to show my man what's really going on. Let me see something. Turn this down. Twist that. Okay, let me see something. Hit the volume knob up. You know where it's at.
Where you from, nigga? Call you where you from, but they call you where you from, nigga. Call you where you from, but they call you where you from, nigga. I can't help but feeling like I am a one, nigga. Fraud shit, fuck it, that's just how the ball bounce on some fraud shit. I here with all my brothers on some fraud shit. All money, one nation of it.
See what else we got here. Yeah, this is a good song right here.
Big blunt still burning in the black, big Benz, bad bitch sucking dick, bout to dent my rim, duffel bag full of hundreds that'll spin my tens. Gotta tell you pussy.
So, like I was telling you, once you hear this, you can't unhear it.
Unhear it. You ain't lying, man.
I told you.
You said the proof is in the pudding.
Yeah,
this
you know.
shit get hard.
I told
Hey,
him,
man.
don't do it to yourself.
Like I ain't even got no music on my bike now.
I'm just saying, you know. I'm gonna shake some stuff up, man. You know.
I ain't even turn my shit on by you, man.
Oh no, I'm just saying. I'm just saying it's out there. I can't even show y'all what's in the bag, but this is installer to installer. So me and him gonna talk off camera about what's going on over here.
Man.
If he need to get to this point here, gotta go. Money Scar Stereo. Just letting y'all see what I see. I'm telling y'all, when I be talking to people, we be back caving in the backyards. Man, what we got? A 6053? What we looking at?
5'3".
5'3". You gonna put that change the intakes on the hood and shut down? Or you gonna leave it as it is?
Gotta do that. Gotta change that
We looking at a Cutlass, y'all.
Yeah.
And he deep in the RC world. Deep in the RC world.
It's a Hurst Old, 83.
What
That's the one for the 19 in the back.
Oh, okay. When you're working on, man, you got. So which one is you riding?
My bike over here.
What's this? The parts?
This bike came here for a detail and never left.
Did he ever come back? What happened?
They supposedly sold the bike and it's just been sitting here.
And
I just bought that one over there.
okay.
You know,
Getting together.
I've been having that one. It's an 09 with 14. I'm putting all 14 and up stuff on it.
Okay. So you gonna buy them and flip them?
Yeah.
Okay, because you only ride one bike at a time.
I already sold this one.
Okay.
He owed me $3,000 left when I put the paint back on there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is you, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. This is great, man.
Yeah.
I told people tell me they ain't saying black is new chrome, but I'm seeing gray is a new chrome nowadays. I see what you got going over here, man. You got the front right. Okay. Yeah. So you got a name for it? No name. And hey, y'all. But if you can't see what I see, I'm not even gonna tell you what I see. You gotta look hard at these pictures, cause it's all in the details, man. That's all I'm gonna say. I'm gonna snap a picture later on, and if you don't see it, hey, you don't see it. Man, so what you gonna put him? You running him out tonight?
Yeah, I'm gonna bring him out.
Okay, so what kind of system you running on here?
So I just got the Sir Vega by 9. Shit, 2 amps.
Okay.
Basic setup.
Sound like y'all, we got some 2.0 down here in the Southern Land, man.
Yeah.
How many speakers you running?
I was running 6.5 lid speakers for the high.
Okay, that's 4.
Tweeters.
Okay, now we at 6.
Horns. And I got horns in the bag.
Oh man, I'm telling y'all, turn him up, man. Let me hear some.
Bullshit. All y'all put out is bullshit. My niggas be on full tilt. Standing on the couches on bullshit.
Y'all hear him? Y'all hear him?
Faking no smiles. I can't be wrapped
Be on
up
the
in no
lookout.
angle. I done figured it out. Cause they won't give a fuck if I die tomorrow.
Hey, y'all ain't even see the net game. I'm just saying it's out there, you know. Okay, man. I see what's going on here. Man, you looking good, man. I'm telling you, my man Steve out here is getting down. And y'all need to come holler at your boy, man. If you're on the southern side over here, man. Now, I don't endorse too many people, man, but I'm liking what I'm seeing. So y'all need to, you know, fuck with him. He on the move over here, man. It look like he got some wrenching skills because he got some things in different levels coming together. So that's all I can say. Be on lookout. You see the bike, you see the rider. Holla at him. Over here eating this, what is that, baby? Skewered shrimp? Yeah. And some jumbo crab, some sweet potato fries. Beautiful background at the water, Marina del Rey. It's all good. All the lemonade you can drink. Free wine, somewhat. Working hard for my the tip. Yeah, what you doing? That part. We're gonna catch the little boat to get to the big boat. Which little boat we want to ride on, baby? I was telling you to bring it on over here. Water green. Probably deep, huh? Yeah. Where we at? Who? Tony T's. Tony P's. Okay. Man, let's go up to Oxnard, see if Jim Rockford dead home. Oh, he ain't there. Gotta go.